Hello students, this is teacher Lubecki. I'm going to show you how to sign up for ReadWorks. So open a browser in Google and type ReadWorks, readworks.org/student. readworks.org/student, enter. You can log in with Google first, or you can enter the class code first. Why don't we try entering my class code, which is M4DCPT. Then I'm going to click continue. I'm going to choose the email that I want. I'll choose this one. And now I can start reading. I'm going to pick junk food battles. And here you have the start. It will read it. Get out of there. So I can click this and it will read it as I can read along here, and I can scroll down as it reads, and I can repeat it and read it again myself, or read it with this narrator right here. I can start from the beginning. Okay, when I can also, when I'm reading, I can go up here and I can make it bigger. Oh, it's really big. Okay, so it's back to normal, bigger, really big, or back to small. I can go over here and I can see the numbers 1, 2, that's the number of the paragraph. So it has 10 paragraphs. I can go up here, let me see. I can go up here to ABC and I can read one line at a time by scrolling down, and you can read this line, then read this line. I can take it off by just clicking on that. I can also go here when I'm answering questions, and I can read the ReadWorks again and answer the questions here. It is an option that, and click one of these, and then whatever. Healthy food is not boring, or blah, blah, blah. Okay. And when you're done answering all the questions, you have to make sure you answer them all, then submit. And here, what are some sources of whole grains? You have to click in here and type whatever your answer is. Okay, so we're not going to submit that right now. All right, I'm going to turn that one off. Now, when you're done reading, you can also click over here, vocabulary. Expert. And you should be able to hear it. So Spanish cognate, it tells it experto. The Spanish word experto means expert. Am I pronouncing it right, teachers? And so you have expert, and I can, if I don't want to click on anything here, I can just scroll down. The definition, it's a noun. Someone who knows a great deal, and then there's an example sentence. I can see advanced definition. It's a noun, one who is very skilled or knowledgeable. I can see that's an adjective, so more example sentences. Here's another meaning, pertaining of special skills or knowledge. This sentence or this sentence. I also have some pictures to show me what an expert is. These are examples of how the word or word forms are used. So these are more sentences with expert that's in the passage that you just read. So they will put experts in bold. All right, so when you're done with that, you can go up here and you have questions. So you can answer the questions here by themselves, or go up here and have the reading and the questions at the same time. Okay, so I can take that off. So here's your passage, your vocabulary, and your questions. All right, I hope you enjoy this, and let me know if you have questions. Please email me on Remind and Enjoy Reading. When you're done, you can also go back and read another one on Meet Rosa Parks. So this one was junk food, and this is Meet Rosa Parks. All right, please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.